Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up quick access in Windows 10. Protecting your frequently used files and folders is important, and creating a backup ensures you never lose them. First, open File Explorer and locate the Quick Access panel. This is where your most frequently accessed items are displayed. Next, use the Quick Access search bar to navigate to a hidden system folder that stores quick access data. For convenience, you can enter the exact system path: %appdata, %\Microsoft\Windows, \recent \automatic destinations. Inside this folder, look for a key file named F01B4D95CF5. This file holds all your quick access information, so it's the one you want to back up. To create the backup, select the file, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then paste it into a safe location. This could be an external drive or a dedicated backup folder on your computer. Once copied, your quick access data is safely backed up and can be restored if needed. And that's it. Backing up quick access is simple, quick, and gives you peace of mind. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more technology tutorials.